If you're moving from an iPhone to an Android, the app most people complain about not being able to move is WhatsApp. And in this video, I'll show you step by step how to solve this problem. We are moving all data, including WhatsApp, from the iPhone 11 Pro Max to the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. All you will need for this process is a USB-C to C cable if it's an iPhone higher than the 15 series, or a Lightning to USB-C cable if it's an iPhone below the 14 series. You would also need basic internet connection. Now, if you don't have the normal WhatsApp Messenger downloaded, download it from the App Store. If you're already using WhatsApp with another number on your iPhone, you will need to transfer that WhatsApp to the Android first before now moving WhatsApp Business to WhatsApp and now moving the WhatsApp again to the Android. Let's say you're using your MTN for WhatsApp Business and your Glo for normal WhatsApp. You will first need to move the WhatsApp of your Glo to the Android, back it up on the Android, then delete it, then move your WhatsApp Business to WhatsApp, then move that WhatsApp to the Android, then move the Android to the WhatsApp Business, which can be quite complicated. That is for another video. Click follow, and in the next video you will see the process of how to do it. This video only applies for people that are using WhatsApp Business solely on their iPhone. If you're currently using two separate numbers for WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business on the same iPhone, this process will not work. So let's continue. After installing WhatsApp, you now have both WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp Messenger on your iPhone. Open WhatsApp Messenger. You will be prompted to transfer your WhatsApp Business number to your WhatsApp Messenger number. Click continue. Leave your business name as it is. Follow the on-screen prompts and proceed. You can also add an email to your account. This helps you to get extra sign-in codes when trying to sign in, or if SMS is unavailable or unreliable. Now that we've moved WhatsApp Business to WhatsApp Messenger, the next step will happen on your Android device. In this case, the S24 Ultra. If you are not a Samsung user, click subscribe so that you will not miss out on the video I will do about this. Now, download Smart Switch on your Samsung device. Normally, most Samsung devices already come with Smart Switch, so if you do not have it, you download it from Play Store. Open your Play Store to ensure that Smart Switch is updated. Then carry your USB Type-C cable and let's begin. We are using a Type-C to Lightning cable because it is an 11 Pro Max. We connect the 11 Pro Max to the Samsung device. Then the Samsung, which is the smarter phone, no offense to iPhone users, can search and see all available data on the iPhone. After the Samsung is done searching and scanning, then you can now select what you want to move. For this video specifically, we're moving WhatsApp videos and pictures, so I'll be selecting only the ones that apply to me. So deselect everything, click on app, then sign into Google profile. It's an Android device, so you need to sign in so you can download the app from Play Store. Hope you understand that. When you click on app, it may look empty, but don't worry about it. Everything will be alright. Scroll down, then click transfer. The Samsung will search the iPhone again to check for apps that are in the iPhone that are also on the Google Play Store. Remember, we have signed into Google. Then you select the apps that apply. As I said, for this video we are doing only WhatsApp, so I select only WhatsApp, then proceed. It is important to not let your phone sleep or minimize because this would cancel or restart the process. So now WhatsApp will start preparing your files and your data. It may take a while depending on how large your WhatsApp is. Some people have been using their WhatsApp since 2015, so you see that some people's WhatsApp is 50 gig, 40 gig, so it may take a very long time. For this particular person, it took us about 1 hour for it to set up. Next, you click install. You'll be prompted to scan a QR code on WhatsApp. Don't scan, just hold on. Pick up your iPhone, go to WhatsApp, head over to settings, scroll down to chats, then click move chats to Android. Once the screen pops up, click start to begin the process. Once you click start on the iPhone, the Samsung would automatically start loading. It will not ask you to scan anymore. Start loading and the process has begun. You drop it and allow it to simmer. The transfer will begin and the Samsung will let you know when it's complete. Now that we're done, let's set up the Samsung device and see if the process was successful. And that is how to transfer files from an iPhone to a Samsung device. If you have questions or you have any concerns or you're trying it and it's not working for you, let us know in the comments and we'll help you do it for free. If you like this video, send it to a friend who is about to leave the iPhone family or goodbye, with disappointment.